right?
Is equals to.
Is equals to, right? Of, instead of of,
Into.
yes. And the same, we also know what means what we have to find. What is the what? What is we have to find something. And we know the percentage is a what? Percentage symbol. Right? Now coming to the how to form a equation. Now see here, 50-50. What I said to you, instead of is what to write? Equal what? I don't know. Let's assume that what x. I don't know na. What is what? I don't know that. That's why I let's assume that what x. Percentage symbol. Percentage symbol. Next word is what? Of. Of means what? Into. Yes, next word 75. Up to here clear? Up to here clear everybody?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Now from here, yes. What Ramakrishna?
Clear, sir.
Yes. Here see that from this condition, what I have to find? I have to find x value or not. What I have to find? X value. Am I right? So whatever you want that you write in one side. The remaining number should be goes to other side. The remaining number should be goes to remaining side. Here the already number is what? 50, and this 75 and x. What is the relation he is? Into. If any term into goes to one side to another side, then what happens? It will become divisible. Yes or no? It is become what? Divisible. Up to here clear? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, see here.
Yes, sir.
Here 50 is equal to x% of what is this? Of means into 75. This is the number. From here what I am writing? Otherwise, yeah, no need to write otherwise. Yeah, see that x value is x, because I want what? X. I have to find x. Keep x in one side, the remaining numbers should be in other numbers in one side. So here already number is what? 50, right? And this the relation between x and 75, the relation is what? Into. Into comes to this side, what happens? Division.
25.
So 50 by 75. Up to here clear? Then we know that simplest form, how to write the simplest form of this. Now the numerator ends with what? 0. 0 means what? Is an even number. An even number will goes in 2 table and 5 table. When the number ends with a 0, that number will goes in 2 table and 5 table, right? Then go for the denominator. Here 5 is there. So if the unit digit is a 5, it will goes only in 5 table, not in 2 table. So numerator goes in 2 table and 5 table, but denominator will go in only 5 table. So now which table I have to select? 5
One
table.
table. 5 table.
5 table, right? Yes. Then cancel in the 5 table. 5 ones are 5, remaining is 0. Write the 0 here. Then go for the denominator. 5 ones are 5. 7 minus 5 is how much? 2. Right here 2. Now this number become 25. In 5 table, where the 25 will come? 5 5 is 25. Yes. And the next is, now the number is what? 10 and the denominator is 15. But still it will goes in what table? 5 table. Yes or no? So 5 twos are 10. 5 threes are 15. 5 threes are 15. Now see here. This is the what? 2 by 3 is equal to x percentage. Up to here clear?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, just copy this up to here. Up to here, copy.
No. What, sir?
Yeah, I'm writing see down. This also write it. I will explain you. Yes, copy up to here.
Yes, sir.
Copied up.
Copied, sir.
Okay. Now see here. From here to here, you understood. Yes, x percentage is equal to 2 by 3, right? Now, from can I write x percentage in the left side and 2 by 3 in the right side? X percentage is equal to 2 by 3, right? So I wrote up to here clear. Then in the last class, what I told to you, when there is a percentage, when they will give the percentage, what to do? We have to divide by 100. Yes or no? When they will give the percentage symbol, we have to write by 100. Otherwise, if we are creating the percentage, then into 100, right? Understood? When we are creating the percentage, then into 100. When they gave the percentage symbol, then by 100. Now here I wrote that what x percentage is there na, so x by 100, x by 100 is equal to 2 by 3, 2 by 3. But do you want x by 100 value or only x value? Only x value. The remaining number is what? 100. This is the denominator term. When the denominator goes to this side, then what will become? Into. Here in the denominator, left side in denominator, it will goes in the right side, then it will goes to what? Numerator. That is already 2 is there. Into this 100 comes to here into 100, denominator is 3, that 3 will say 2 into 100 how much? 200, and denominator 3 is 3, percentage symbol. X is equal to how much? 100, 200 by 3 percentage. Understood that? Yes.
Understood, sir.
Yeah. Now, if you understood this, then try to solve the next problem. I will give the one more problem to you. 20 is what percent of 20 is what percentage of 100? Like these questions will come in where? In simplification part. From the percentage topic, you may expect this type of question. First, simple tricks what I told you. Hey Pramod, yes, what's the answer? Yes, completed. See here, see on the screen.
100 by 1.
Huh?
100 by 1.
100 by 1 na? No. Yeah, see, 20 is 20. Here is there. Instead of is, can I write is equal to, right? What? I don't know. X percentage of into here 100. Right? Up to here clear? Then I have to find what? X percentage, and the remaining number goes to other side. This is here 20, and here into 100 it will comes to this side. What? 100 by 100, right? Then cancel it. The simplification, unit digits are 0, then you can cancel direct. Then the numerator is 2 and denominator is 10. So in 2 table, 2 ones are 2 fives are. Yes, then it is what? X percentage is equal to 1 by 5. In important percentage value, what is the value of 1 by 5? In important percentage values, I told you in the last class, what is the 1 by 5 value? In percentage, in terms of percentage?
20.
Very good.
20.
1 by 5 is equal to how much? 20%.
20%.
That's the answer. Copy this. Yes, completed. Then go for the next one. And the third problem is, what is that? Tell me this answer for the 100. This is 100. 100 percentage of 5 equal to how much? This is the question. Yeah, see how to solve this type of problem. Here there is a no is, no what, nothing is there. 100 is there, 100. You write the 100. They gave the
100
percentage.
into 5.
Not
100.
100. Not 100 into 5, Ramakrishna. They gave that what? Percentage symbol. We have to remove the percentage symbol. Then what to do? Divided by 100. That only I am telling from the beginning. వాళ్ళు గనక పర్సంటేజ్ ఇస్తే దాన్ని మనం తీయాలంటే ఏం చేయాలి? బై 100 రాయాలి. బై 100 రాసిన. ఆఫ్ మీన్స్ ఇంటూ 5 is equal to 5. 100 gets cancelled, means 1. 1 into 5, answer is 5. Got it? Understood or not?
Yes, sir.
Copy this. If you understood this, then tell me the answer for this question. 5% of, copy this first and after that do this. 5% of 100. 5% of 100. What's the answer? One step answer.
2000, sir.
No. Here see 5%. 5
Yes, sir.
is what's the answer? Ramakrishna?
Yes, sir. Level by 1.
Wrong. Here see that what you doing, I don't know that. What you guys are doing. Here 5 is there, I copied here 5. Here percentage symbol is there. I have to remove this percentage. What to do? By 100. Yes. Half is there. Instead of half, what to write? Into. 100 is there.
Sir, in division method do, sir.
Yeah, you can do any method, Nana. You can do any method. Here simply, here is a what? 5 into 100. In my answer is what? Denominator 100, numerator 100, cancel, answer is 5. If you want that division method, if you want division method, 5 into 100, numerator into numerator, you have to multiply. Here nothing is there, consider 1. So 5 into 100 is 500. And denominator is what? 1 into 100, 100. In division method, what to do? 100 here, 500 here, and in 100 table where the 500 will come? 100 5 is a 500. Your remainder is 0. In your answer is this 5. Any method if you use, answer is 5. I don't know where you are doing the mistakes. Yes? Yeah, copy this. Yes. If you completed that, then tell me the answer for the next fourth question. Yes. 100 percentage of 5 plus 5 percentage of 100. Answer this question.
Ten, sir.
Good. Answer is how much? 10. Now see. Here the brackets are there. First we have to solve the brackets according to the BODMAS. According to what? BODMAS. We can select any bracket first, either this or this. So you select the first bracket, 100 percentage of 5, right? And the answer for this what? 100 percentage is there. To remove the percentage, divisible by 100, half is there, into 5, 5. Now, in the cancellation, numerator is 100, denominator is 100, cancel. So remaining number is what? 1. So 1 into 5, 5. So this part answer is how much I got? 5. Coming to the next part answer. Here see that, go for the next one. 5% of 100, that is equal to 5 by 100 into 100, right? Here what to do? Cancel this, numerator 100 and denominator 100 here. The remaining number is what? 5. Here, if there is a 1, 5 into 1, 5 only. Now, in between who is this symbol? Plus. Apply the plus. 5 plus 5, how much? 10. 10 is the answer. Understood?
Understood.
Yeah, copy this. Yes, then solve this question. 12% of 12 plus 12. What is the answer?
So 24 came, sir.
How much? 24. Yeah, see, 12 percentage by 100 of into 12 plus 12. Yes. Now, first preference to whom? This part. So here nothing is there. Can I write the denominator is 1? Yes. Then we can multiply the numerator into numerator. 12, the 12 square value is how much? 144. 12 square value, 12 are 144 by 100 plus 12. And don't cancel it. When the denominators are all are zeros, don't cancel it. So how to apply the point? Decimal. If you want to write in decimal, what to do? Here how many zeros are there? 2 zeros are there. So in the numerator from the right side to left side, after 2 digits keep as a point. So that is equal to 1.44. 1.44 plus 12. Yes or no? 1.44 plus 12. If you add this, how much you will get? 13.44 is the answer. Understood?
No, sir.
No, not understood. Here see Nana. Yes, 12% is there. 12 by 100 into 12. Up to here understood? Here,
Yes, sir.
yeah, then what to do? Here denominator nothing is there, or you can consider this is also numerator, this is also numerator, and this also numerator. Numerator, can you cancel? No. Numerator, what to do? In between who is the symbol? Into. So you have to multiply. 12 into 12. 12 into 12. If you multiply this, how much you will get? I told you that to back 20 squares, 30 squares. In that 12 into 12 means 12 square. 12 square value is how much? 144. 12 12s are 144. Denominator is 100 only. నా హియర్ మనం మీరు ఎగ్జైట్మెంట్ లో దీన్ని క్యాన్సిల్ చేయకండి 2 టేబుల్లో ఏం చేయమని చెప్పిన వెన్ ద డినామినేటర్స్ ఆర్ జీరోస్ ఓన్లీ డినామినేటర్స్ ఎప్పుడైనా జీరోస్ ఉంటే ట్రై టు రైట్ ఇన్ ద డెసిమల్స్ ఎట్లా రాయాలి సార్ డినామినేటర్ లో ఎన్ని జీరోస్ ఉన్నాయిరా 2 జీరోస్ ఉన్నాయి అంటే డినామినేటర్ న్యూమరేటర్ ఏం చేయాలి రైట్ సైడ్ నుంచి 2 డిజిట్స్ తర్వాత పాయింట్ పెట్టాలి ఎందుకు 2 డిజిట్స్ తర్వాత ఇక్కడ 2 జీరోస్ ఉన్నాయి కాబట్టి 2 డిజిట్స్ తర్వాత పాయింట్ పెట్టాలి ఫస్ట్ డిజిట్ సెకండ్ డిజిట్ అండ్ కీప్ హియర్ పాయింట్ సో మై ఆన్సర్ ఇస్ వాట్ 1.44 is the answer up to this part 1.44 is up to here plus how much 12 point aim ledante 0 then here is how much I got 1.44 I hope you know additions decimal addition then add it 4.31 13.44 is the answer yes understood hello
Yes, sir.
yeah copy this and the remaining problems take your book and try to solve the more and more questions copied up
Copied, sir.
okay thank you bye